There is a famous saying in stock market that if you take care of your risk, profit will take care of itself. I don't know who is the person said this famous quote, but this personally a favorite quote of mine in trading. This risk is a word which is very important, and it should be tattooed in the brains of all traders and investors, especially beginners. Now, risk is not taken care of most of the beginners in stock market, especially in trading or even investing. Now, whenever you plan to take a long entry or short entry, have you ever noticed how much I am going to risk in this particular trade? Have you ever given importance to the risk factor? How much will I lose in this particular trade? Now, let me give a very simple example. You can go to a swimming pool which is 5 feet or 6 feet depth because you can easily survive in that feet, right? So it is easy for anybody to jump into a swimming pool which is of 5 to 6 feet depth, whereas you will hesitate when you try to jump into a 10 to 20 feet depth of a swimming pool. Why? Because you are considering the risk factor. I will be able to jump, I will be able to survive in a 6 feet swimming pool, whereas it is going to be difficult for me to survive in a 10 feet or a 20 feet swimming pool if I don't know swimming. So you are considering the risk factor here, whereas when it comes to trading, you never care about the risk. Just by looking at the structure of candles, you get into a trade. So whether you are drawing a support or resistance or a trend line, and if there is a breakout, try to enter where there is a recent swing high or swing low, or try to enter when there is a retracement towards the resistance or support or trend line. For you all to understand in terms of CPR indicator, let me tell you very simple. If the candles are trading above daily CPR and if the overall trend is also bullish, if you are having a bullish view in the market in any instrument, and if the candles are just taking support at daily CPR, or if the candles are just taking a support at weekly CPR, or if the candles are just taking a support at monthly CPR, those are the right areas for you to enter because your risk is going to be very small below daily CPR, below weekly CPR, or below monthly CPR. If you are taking an entry based on daily CPR support, your stop loss is below daily CPR, your risk is minimized here. If you are taking an entry based on weekly or monthly CPR supports, then your stop loss is very small below weekly CPR as well as monthly CPR respectively. So this is how you take care of your risk. Now let us say you are using RSI or super trend or Bollinger Bands, any indicator, when it gives a buy signal for you. Let's say RSI is below 30 and you are getting ready to buy. Just try to draw support and resistance and trend line levels in that particular instrument and try to figure out the recent swing highs or swing lows, or try to look at the candles to give a retracement towards the nearby resistance or support or trend line levels so that you can enter in that particular area and your stop loss will be below resistance or below support or below trend line and your stop loss is minimized. Your risk is very less. Even you can place your stop loss below recent swing highs or swing lows if there is a retracement, and your risk is very less. So I hope you all understood the importance of risk in this audio message. So risk is a very important word, and it is a very important terminology when it comes to trading and investing. And I want all my friends, Telegram friends, YouTube friends, to follow this religiously. Okay, if you like this, you can hit a thumbs up, and you can share this audio link to your friends as well. Thank you all. With love, KGS. Bye.